show the video. First, I take a Ferrari.
Can we take a Lamborghini?
No.
Okay.
We have to take a Ferrari.
Okay, can you move it like this, Hamza? Move it like a little bit more, like this.
Yeah.
Okay, now I need to put this adjustments. Yes. And now we take a Ferrari. Ooh.
And we will like this.
Don't you dare say anything.
No, what a water race. What a race. What a race.
Bro, I haven't put the video yet.
Our water race.
Can we just
How to win?
okay. Go back. Back. See? Put it on time again. Did you put it on multiplayer?
Yeah.
You put it?
Yeah.
Okay.
First, we have to do.
Okay.
No, I have to change. Hi guys, so I have this.
It's Hamza and Fabian here. So we are trying to get this card in this game.
Yeah. Look at the view.
Bro, look at this.
Oh, my accident.
I'm sorry, man. It was my fault. I talked.
Yeah, I was putting. Look at the view.
Look at the view, man.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah. I think we should go outside like so many times, right?
Yeah.
To see this.
Yeah, it will be rained.
Yeah.
Oh my god. It's so fast. Lamborghini Ferrari. Look at the. Oh my Ferrari.
Wait, how did you survive?
I survived. Look at my Ferrari. Going so far.
Can you put your
Oh my god, timing!
Put your hand down, Hamza, a little bit.
Oh. Hey, you put timer.
Oh, sorry, man. Timer ran out.
Why you put timer?
It's multiplayer, okay?
Bro, I have to take one more time car.
I'm sorry, man. Yeah, it was my fault.
This is good car.
Yeah, this one is a good car, right?
Yeah. That is.
The stupid ads came.
Why are they showing ads?
Yeah, look. Mine is turned off ads, but how the hell is the ads are
Look,
coming?
one more time ad came.
Because you pressed that. Because when I disabled the ads, but how did that came? Right?
I don't know.
Wait,
The race is.
I'm done.
Oh my god, look at the view now.
Oh.
I get BMW.
You know that car over there, Hamza? You need to take it.
Yes.
Okay, we are trying to get this car. Okay?
No, I'm driving only this car. Oh, I trashed.
You're not trash, Hamza.
I'm
Hamza.
trash.
Crashed. Okay. And look at this. Hamza's car is so good. Oh, it opens his mouth now. It's a mouth now.
Yeah.
Hey, hey Hamza, look at my finger. It's going to get eaten. It got eaten by the car.
Look at my BMW.
Hey guys, it's just fake. It doesn't even eating me.
Oh my god.
Can you remove this hand only the sand, okay? Put the sand on.
Oh my god! What I will do?
Watch out! I told you to.
Look at my dog.
Are you Malayali?
No, I'm Indian.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I
I'm
tried.
sorry. I'm sorry, Hamza. Okay, watch out!
I have to put here.
Okay, now we have to turn it a little bit more. Like this.
Yeah. Oh no!
Okay, what do you count? Cancel. Okay.
My beard was good. My beard was going so fast.
Wow, you're so nice. Oh, that is not on camera. But
Oh! Look at our sister. So my car is crashed. My car is all going so fast. Oh no!
now let's get this car. Okay? Okay, let's go home. Cancel. And we are in home. Okay. Let's try to get this car. Garage. Okay.
This car is not in this.
Oh man. Hey, this is a myth.
This car is not in.
Oh, Ferrari. Okay.
Let's take Lamborghini and color the color. Ticket color also.
Guys, bye guys. This is the end. Bye.
Bye.
It has been 8 minutes also. Can you see that?
Bye.
Bye.